What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm not so much. I was supposed to be on my way to my dad's right now, but unfortunately parts of New South Wales are in another lockdown because there was an outbreak in the northern beaches. So I thought I would just sit down and do a haul for you guys, try and get my mind off where I should be right now. So I've just got this big box of stuff, or not big, a box full of stuff here that I picked up from Sephora, Mecca, Glam Raider, and a couple of things from Priceline. So yeah, let's just get on into it. So the first thing in the box here is some xobeauty lashes. I got the Dramatics set. Just comes with 5 pairs of lashes. I needed some new lashes, and I've heard really good things about the XO lashes. Oh, XO, that's her brand. xobeauty lashes. So I picked those up. Next in here, this was a bit of a splurge for me. This was a splurge. This is the Hourglass lighting edit. Ambient lighting edit. I've always wanted to buy this, like one of these palettes, and I never have because Hourglass is so expensive out here. Like this cost me over $100, but I'm gonna cherish every moment I have with it. I've just always wanted to pick this up, so I picked it up and I'm excited to give it a try. By the way, please let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see a full face of first impressions with all these things, because I would love to do that. So I might even do that even if no one says anything. Next up, I got this little gift set here from Fenty Beauty. It's just a 4-pack of mini gloss bombs. I've got the shade Baby Brute, Taffy Tease, Cake Shake, and Ruby Milk. I love this shade. It's like a pinky purpley shade. I absolutely love it. This is such a good gift idea. I mean, these are perfect little stocking stuffers. You can just give like one to each person. I think these little gift packs are great ideas. And honestly, I'm keeping these for myself. But I've never been through like a whole gloss. So I am excited to use these because I've got a full-size gloss bomb in Fussy, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to give these a go too. Next up, I picked up Supreme Velvet Liquid Lipstick from bperfect. I love my bperfect palettes. I have the Carnival XL Pro palette and the Carnival 3 palette, which I did a look with for my first ever video, so go check that out. I'll leave a link down below. But I wanted to try other products from them, so I picked up a liquid lipstick. It's just in the shade I'ma Get It, which on the swatch looks like a really deep shade, but when you actually take it out, it's a shade like this. So I don't know why, like that is such a completely different shade. I don't know. But I'm excited to try this one out because I've never tried any of their lip products or any other products that they have. I've only tried the palettes. So excited to give this one a go. Next up, I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I've heard so many things about this spray, like this setting mist. So many things. So I really wanted to pick it up and I finally did. And I'm excited to give this a go. I haven't had a setting spray in ages. So I don't know. We'll see if it works, if it's as good as it is hyped up to be. I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, next. This next one I've already opened because I needed to. It is the xobeauty Flawless Finish Sponge in a duo pack. So as you can see, there's only one in here, which because I've already taken out the other one and used it. And spoiler alert, I love it. It's amazing. 10 out of 10 and half the price of a beauty blender. Like a duo pack is half the price of one beauty blender. No shade to beauty blender, but it's expensive. So pick these ones up. I promise you won't be disappointed. Next up, I got the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. It's summer here in Australia, so I really wanted to pick this up, try it out because it is SPF 50. I was going to be using this on my holiday to Queensland. That's part of the reason I bought it, but I'm not going anymore, so I'm just going to use it here whenever I go out here. So yeah, it's just SPF 50, which I need because I get burnt severely up here on my giant forehead and on my nose. So I'm excited to try this out. It's supposed to be full coverage. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I just got it in the shade light medium, so hopefully it works for my skin tone. Next up, I got another value set, like another gift set, I think for Christmas, and it's just the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Look Brow Kit. And I got this in the shade medium brown, and it comes with an a full-size brow wiz and the Dip Brow eyebrow gel. So that's just a mini gel, I think. But I'm excited to try that one out as well. Take a shot every time I say I'm excited to try that out. But I'm excited to try out every single product I bought, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. But yeah, I've already tried it out, but I've never tried the gel. So love the pencil, excited to try the gel. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Mattifying Setting Powder. I'm in the market for a new setting powder because I use my Fenty Beauty setting powder, the loose powder, all over my face, and I really need a pressed powder for my face instead of using a loose powder, because the loose powder sort of, I don't know, ooh, I just dropped that. The loose powder just sort of clings to places on my face. I don't know if that's a thing that happens to everyone, although a lot of people don't really set their face much anymore, but I have to. My face gets too oily if I don't. So I thought I would pick up a pressed powder. There's only one shade though. That's the only problem. So is it translucent? I'm gonna have a look. I love the raindrop effect on here. It's so cool. Okay. That's quite, I mean, it doesn't look dark on camera because of the lights, but that's quite dark. Okay. We'll have to see. I mean, it does blend out. Ooh. You can't even see it on my hand, I don't think. So it does blend out into pretty much nothing. So we'll have to see if that works, because it only came in one shade. So we'll see. We'll see. Next up, I got this Nars Climax mascara set. It comes with a mini Climax mascara and a full-size Extreme Climax mascara. So I really love these little gift sets and the value sets because not only are they great stocking stuffers, but if you're buying them for yourself, I mean, they're great to have because you get a few products in one and you pay probably the same. I think I paid the same amount for this as one full-size mascara, and I get two mascaras, one mini and one full size. So I think it's a good deal. Next up, I got the Becca x Barbie Ferreira. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that name. I probably am. Prismatica highlighting kit. It comes with 3 mini highlighters in the shades Champagne Pop, Rose Quartz, and Vanilla Quartz. I love Becca highlighters and nobody talks about them anymore. They were so hyped up. Like so hyped up a few years back, and everyone was always going on about, I think it was Opal and Champagne Pop when Jaclyn Hill came out with Champagne Pop, which I assume is now just owned by Becca, not Jaclyn Hill anymore. But Champagne Pop was one of my favorites. Actually, I think I still have. I do. I still have the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, which is probably so expired by now, but I still have it. Can you see how much I loved Champagne Pop though? Like, I made a dent in that. This was one of my first ever face palettes that I bought, and I loved it. I think I keep it for sentimental values, although it's kind of a bit nasty now and it's lifting up at the sides there, but I keep it anyway. So, highlighters. Excited to try more shades. Next up, I've got the Luna Beauty Gloss in the shade Aura. which is, I think, another nude shade. I really need to branch out into other shades. Yeah, just a nude shade right there. I'm excited to try that one as well because I've heard good things about Lunar Beauty. I really wanted to get the new Lunar Beauty palette, but it was all sold out. As expected, it's a beautiful palette. So let me know if you want to see a review on the palette. I can definitely pick that up for you guys. I really want to. It looks so nice. But again, sold out in the website that I could buy it from in Australia. Next up, I picked up this Fenty Cream Gloss Bomb in the shade Honey Waffles. Honey Waffle, yes. And it's just, again, another nude shade. Actually, that'll go good with my liquid lipstick from Fenty. Stunner Lip Paint. Those will go good together. Oh no, will they? Because that's a bit lighter. I don't know. Just a nice deep nude shade. I'm really excited to try. I've been wanting to try one of the cream glosses since I saw they were released, so I picked one up. Next up, this was a free sort of gift from Mecca. It's by Terry Mini To Go. I think it's a lip gloss. It just says lip care, so maybe it's a lip balm. I'm not sure. But anyway, I love me a free gift, so be trying that one out. Next up, I got this. It is a set of blushes. Tarte Blush Authority Amazonian Clay Cheek Wardrobe. There's 3 palettes in here, or stacks, I guess you would call them. And they each have 3 blushes in them. As you can see, they're not very big, but as I said before, I wouldn't really go through them all anyway. That's just sort of the shades they come with there. I think that might be a highlighter shade. So yeah, I used to have a Tarte blush and I used to love it. So I picked that one up. Again, great stocking stuffers. I think this is a limited edition Christmas one. It's got like stars all over it. So great stocking stuff, or a great gift for your friends, or a great gift for yourself if you're wanting to splurge, pick something up, or have variety, you know. Next up, I got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 118 Light Beige. This is an old favorite, and I picked this up for a video that I'm going to do a full face of old favorites, testing if I still love them. So keep an eye out for that video, will be up soon. But I picked that up to see if I still love it. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure I will still love it because it was my holy grail foundation for so long. So I'm excited to see if that one still works for me. Honestly, I don't have any other phrases, but I'm excited. I'm excited. I apologize for how many times I have said I'm excited to try it. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, let's move on. I picked up this Australis She's Precise eyeliner. It is just one of the, you know, brush tip applicators, really fine point. So I needed a new one. I currently have the Too Faced Better Than Sex one, but that one is like $40 or something, or like $30. It's expensive. This one was $6. So you tell me. I also picked up the Kosas, I don't know how to pronounce that. Super creamy and brightening concealer. This one is a hydrating concealer, which I am in desperate need of because my under eyes are so dry, but it's supposed to be brightening as well. So I wanted to give this one a try. I always go back to the same brands and the same formula because I know them and I'm comfortable with them, but I wanted to pick up a new brand, a new formula to try out. Get me out of my comfort zone, you know? Next, I just picked up a pair of lash tweezers from Doll Beauty. Just some lash tweezers. I'm sure we've all seen lash tweezers. I'm sure we all own a pair. Nothing special. And the last thing I've got in here is the xobeauty Native palette. I am so excited. Like, out of everything, I think I'm most excited for this. It's so beautiful. Actually, you know what? I'm going to open it now. Let's get it out. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Oh, there goes the plastic sheet. Will you look at that? That is absolutely stunning. Okay, definitely need to do a look with this soon. That is gorgeous. And the pans are quite big too. I am so excited for this palette. So excited. I'm going to be doing a look with this soon. So stay tuned. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so exciting. Okay, so that is everything that I bought. I know it's not a huge haul, but I wanted to sit down and show you what I got anyway. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, would be really appreciated. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.